Welcome to this instructional video on installing an AMK air suspension compressor for Mercedes-Benz Viano or Vito W639. Proper installation is crucial for optimal performance, so let's ensure you have all the necessary information before starting. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Start by setting the steering to straight ahead and raising the vehicle. Then locate the air suspension compressor. Once you have access to the compressor, disconnect the two air lines from the compressor and disconnect the air filter from the chassis. Do not discard the air filter. This will be reused during installation. Thoroughly inspect your air filter and hoses for damage prior to reuse. Damaged hoses and filter may void your warranty. Continue by removing the three outmost torque screws to release the complete unit consisting of the compressor and the valve block. Then remove the three electrical connectors, one for the valve block, two for the compressor. Now you can remove the compressor assembly from the vehicle. Once removed, disconnect the air line from the compressor. Remove the three torque screws that secure the mounting bracket to the compressor. Install the new air suspension compressor in the reverse order of removal. Tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications to ensure a secure and proper fit. Do not remove the air fitting from the air suspension compressor. Doing so may cause damage and void warranty. Remove the white shipping pin from the new air fitting and insert the air line until fully seated. Inspect the air springs for any type of cracks or excessive wear. Leaking air springs will cause the compressor to overheat from continuous operation. Thank you for following our guide on replacing the air suspension compressor with an AMK part from Arnott. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system.